I'm Dustin Paget. For this market update, we're trying something new. Instead of our usual lengthy newsletter, we plan to start sharing short videos with our clients. Our videos aim to provide clients with investment updates as well as our perspectives of the market. I've been told I have the face for radio, and I've never even taken a selfie, so I appreciate your patience as I get used to this new video setup. As a quick reminder of what we have seen over the past few months, February through May of this year will be remembered as one of the most unique and unusual periods in modern history. The bulk of humanity was basically relegated to solitary confinement. Shelter in place became the new norm, and the $90 trillion global economy came to a near standstill. Around the world, factories shuttered, trade collapsed, production plunged. Consumer spending was ground to a halt, with the exception of online sales, made up largely of groceries and, of course, toilet paper. With U.S. economic activity close to frozen, the unemployment rate spiked to 14.7% in April. That's the highest rate since 1939, until dropping to 11.1% in June. To make things worse, oil prices collapsed in April, in large part thanks to the economic slowdown, but also as well as a geopolitical disagreement between Saudi Arabia and Russia. As grim as the economy looked in April, the financial markets were doing what they do best, looking to the future. As daily deaths peaked in the U.S. on April 21st, massive fiscal and monetary response was underway, not only in the U.S. but around the world. We feel these necessary actions help to establish a backstop for the economy and the stock market. So as we review what I would say is the craziest first half of the year I've seen in my 20 plus years of experience, I want to say thank you. Thank you for keeping calm and trusting us during one of the most uncertain and stressful times we will hopefully ever have to deal with. For those of you who know me, you will recognize one of my favorite mottos, control what you can control. As an investor, there are several things that we can control and plan for. The amount of risk we take, the cost we pay for advice and fund expenses, etc., the time until we need the funds, lastly and most importantly, our behavior. We can't control the markets as they constantly fluctuate, but I'm proud of you, our clients, for controlling your emotions during these turbulent times. For the most part, we saw very little panic among our clients. In fact, we actually had a number of people take advantage of the steep sell-off and buy while the stock market was low. As we counseled many clients, selling and reducing your risk while the markets are low can have a disastrous impact on your portfolio. However, after rebounding and coming off one of the best second quarters in history, now may be a good time to reevaluate your portfolio and your risk level. For many, your goals and your time frame has not changed, but for some, it may be time to adjust your risk level, especially if you had a difficult time weathering March's stock market pullback. If you think you may want to reevaluate your risk or have any concerns, we invite you to visit BigSiouxWealth.com or call 605-882-4280 to schedule an appointment. While the battle of coronavirus is not over, and we continue to plan for potential issues we may see later this year, I hope you'll join me in taking a moment to reflect this 4th of July. This Independence Day, let's cherish the country we live in and take time to appreciate those who gave their lives for our country. It was their sacrifice that allow us to call the United States of America home. We hope you will join us in counting our blessings and appreciating this great country. Thank you for the trust you have placed in us, and we wish you a memorable 4th of July.